The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Good morning, folks. You know, we had one of those Monday morning situations this morning. I want to say welcome you to Trading with Coach TB 43 live stream every Monday through Thursday, 8:30 to 11:30. We had a little situation, you can say, with the tech support. They were messing back there with the cameras. That's why we about 2-3 minutes off schedule. Nevertheless, we are ready to rock and roll, and I want to invite you to this live stream with open arms so you can learn how to day trade in the market. You'll be able to see some of the things we're doing live when it comes to this thing here, trading. Welcome you guys here to Trading Stocks from Behind the Eight Ball with Coach TB 43, where we're going to be doing some live trading and talking about day trading in the stock market, guys. I'm happy to have you guys and sprinkle some of my magic on top of you. Wake up. It's time to go, guys. It's time to make it happen. Monday morning, it's time to go. While I was coming on, I was able to make a couple dollars. Because, see, when you're dealing with the stock market or whatever, you got to move pretty fast. So I couldn't be like, oh, I got to get on that. No, I got to make money, and then I could get on that. Whatever. JRSH is what we made a couple dollars on just a little while ago. It is what it is, man. You got to be quick on your feet, man. Got to be quick on your feet, folk. And let me make sure everything is the way it's supposed to be, because we had that little bump in the road this morning, but I think we good. No, I think we good. Let me see something. Hello? No, I don't want to hear that. Yeah, so I think we good, right? Yes, indeed we are. Indeed, and the deeds of the deeds of all, we are good. I'm lying. Now let me figure out how I could share my if I need to share my screen with you guys. Hey man, welcome to Trading Stocks from Behind the Eight Ball with Coach TB 43, here live on YouTube every Monday through Thursday, 8:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., where we are giving lessons. We're teaching the youth how. What we teaching the youth? Come on, somebody tell me. I'm sure y'all guys know already. Tell me what we teaching the youth, folks. What we teaching the youth? What are we teaching the youth, man? We're teaching the youth how to trade in the stock market so that they can be introduced to generational wealth passed down, like the Proverbs tells us that we must be obedient towards. So I give lessons in the morning, waiting for the stock market to open, which we all know the stock market opens at 9:30. So in the meantime, what we do is we gather around news, any new catalyst that may be arriving, and we move like that. That's how we move, right? We move looking at the market to see how and where we can make some money. Forgive me. TSY. I know that's not Disney. No way. Anyway, DSY, I made a couple of dollars on that the other day, but I gotta pull up some news because I don't like how quiet it is right now. I don't like how quiet it is right now, man. Let's pull up some news. We know the president is on his way to G7. Uh, it's still too quiet. Maybe I got the volume off. Let me ask you something. Did I welcome you guys? No, for real. Did I welcome you guys? Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. Oh, not that screen. Can I share this one? No, that ain't working either. Stop the share and do this one. Okay. Let me see how that looks. Okay. All right. No, I see it. I see it. I see it. No, I just want to real quick show you what I was doing this morning, if you will, right? I mean, you can see this, right? This is that JRSH this morning. And it popped up here. If you see these little red things up here, see these? That means Coach TB was selling at that point. He sold some shares here, sold some shares there, and sold some shares there, right? And then when they came down, he bought them back and he took the difference. It was small share amounts because I don't play like that. In this penny stock, you have to be very careful with small shares. So you can't be going after no big gigantic wins because that's when you get smashed. So, just a couple of dollars here and there, enough to go buy some Starbucks coffee. As you can see right here, we made about, what was that? About $291.85. Just call it $300 that we can go and now get us a cup of Starbucks coffee because Starbucks coffee is overpriced. It's expensive. And to me, my personal opinion, it tastes like dirt. But anyway, I'm not going to say that because then Starbucks is going to come and be like, hey man, we're going to have to use cease and desist, man. You cannot be talking about our coffee like that. Like, what do you mean? I can't give my personal opinion on how it tastes? Why not? Why? I can give my personal opinion about anything, son. This is the freedom of speech. This is the freedom that we fought for at Gettysburg. My man Frederick Douglass fought for this freedom of speech. You understand? Martin, Martin Luther King, Abraham Lincoln, all of these cats died for this freedom. And you think I ain't going to exercise it? You got another thing coming. Meet me in the ring then. How about you do that? Your CEO, my CEO, which is me, we get in the ring. You understand? We do a pay per view UFC fight. Me and you. We can settle it like that. Yeah. Uh huh. Yep. So what? I wrestled in school. That don't mean nothing. That doesn't give me no advantages. You took Taekwondo when you was a bit, well, 7 years and 8 years old. You was in karate. Actually, they had you in China studying all this stuff. So why are you lying? I just had to wrestle on them old dirty mats at Mervo down in the goddamn basement. I didn't like it, but I did it. And right, you right, you right. I will dump you on your head, Mr. Starbucks, man. Stop it. Hey, man. All I'm saying to you guys is I made a couple coins before I got on. Y'all be like, yo, TB said 8:30. He came on at 8:37. Yeah, guess what? I was trying to make $300 while I was yeah. What you thinking? You thinking I'm gonna not make the money to get on to talk to you? You twisted, bro. If you think Coach TB would rather talk to you than make some money, then again, here we go. Misguided misconceptionalists. Yes, that's what they are out there. It's a lot of them. Misguided. But let's get back to it because these commercials getting on my. We got 12 minutes to the top of the hour to 9 a.m. Um, you guys know that we really like Tesla, right? Y'all know that we like Tesla, so we're going to be looking at Tesla actually. No, I'm being honest when I say we're going to be looking at Tesla today. Yeah, we're gonna be looking at the option chain pressure that's on Tesla. We're also going to find out where those max pain areas are, and I also want to know where the gamma flip areas are because we got a new expiring contract this Friday. So let's see what we can get done, folks. Let's just play it out because I want y'all to win. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here for me to win only. Okay. Yeah. Oh, y'all people over at TikTok, just so you know. Just so you know, you're here with Coach TV live. Hold on. I got to turn him down. He's always loud. Let me turn him down. You'll say he's emotionally compromised. Wow. Come on, Ross. You ain't got to go that deep on him. I'm emotionally compromised. He's telling the truth though. You can be emotionally compromised, and that's when you get out of trading because trading involves a lot of emotions. It involves your emotions, and you have to have control of your emotions. See, that's the trick. People think, "Oh, I'm just going to teach you how to day trade." No, man. I gotta actually sit down and interview and find out what type of personality you have, so we can align a strategy up to fit your personality. Because trading is about emotions. It's about your ability to handle discipline, and patience. How can are you able to control those emotions inside your body? Now, you might not be able to do it right off the break, but I'll teach you how to control those emotions. It doesn't come easy. Some of the best traders in the world have lost lots and lots and lots of money before they made any. And what we do is we come back and then say, hey, man, we're going to stop people from doing that. We're going to tell them all the tricks, all the trades, so that they don't have to do what we did. You know what I'm saying? So, but they're gonna have to pay us. And so when they pay us, we get up all our money back that we lost. And then a good full circle. Yes. Nevertheless, I enjoy teaching the youth about day trading. And so it's a passion. But bottom line is it's also a mandate. And I ain't gonna get into that right now because I got into that last night. But we are gonna be looking at mm, we're going to be looking at my favorite stock, guys. Hello? Hello? Is anybody home? Are you there? We're going to be looking at one of my favorites, right? You know what one of my favorites are. Come on out. You know, my favorite is Tesla. We're getting ready this morning. We're 8 minutes to the top of the hour on this 15th day of June, 2026, right? We're looking at the broader market because you know we had a big old IPO on Friday. SpaceX. Oh, God. SpaceX. I love SpaceX. Let me go check on it, actually. Okay. It's good. We looking good. We looking good. No, we looking good. God, no, seriously, we looking good, man. I'm just saying, we looking good. I want to buy some more for real. But I'm going to hold off right now. I'm going to just maintain with what I got. Bottom line is, SpaceX was a big IPO this week, which, you know, the broader market is experiencing a massive wave of bullish momentum from following the news of, you know, the president keep talking peace talks. He's been talking peace talks for a year, so every time he says something, the market goes up. Bananas, man. But the preliminary peace framework between the U.S. and Iran, which is expected to reopen the Straits of Hormuz and drop crude oil prices, they've been saying that forever. This macro relief is driving a strong risk on environment, especially across the tech and heavily shorted or high beta names. You know, everybody's been shorting because they figure like as soon as it works out, the price is going to drop. But additionally, the massive public debut of SpaceX, you know, SPCY, late last week is keeping intense focus on Elon Musk's ecosystem. This has directly boosted, you know, the cost, the premium, the interest in vehicles like the daily tech, the one that I trade. Let's just say the ETF, the vehicle on the ETF that I like to trade, which is TSLA, which is a lot cheaper, which is at $13.96 right now, closed $13.59 yesterday. I didn't even know. Hold on. So they got a new one now, a new ETF, newly launched, 2 times leveraged SpaceX. It's ETF, LOF, right? So LOFF. Let's just look at that real quick. Can we look at LOFF real quick? Oh, I didn't want to do that. Let me get that out of there. Let me look at that real quick. Let's look at that. This is the ETF for SpaceX. Let's see how that moves. That might be something to think about trading for. Now, why would it say no data? That don't make sense, does it? 15 minutes. I don't know. It's not no data on it now. So maybe it'll come to life. Maybe it'll come to life when the market opens because it's a new situation. All right. Going back to my favorite Tesla. Let's look at how the option mechanics are shaping up for my favorite Tesla as the morning action gets underway. So, option chain mechanics. Let me explain something to you, right? If you're not even though you're not trading options, the option market has an effect on the stock market. So, wouldn't you want to know what type of influence the option of Tesla is going to have on the actual stock? Yes, that's something you probably would want to know so you have an idea. It's called creating the edge. So the option chain mechanics and settlement is very important. Last closing price was around 407. Now let me pull up. I want to pull up a different chart. Let me pull up a different chart for y'all, okay? Hold on 1 second. I need to pull up the right chart for y'all so I can explain it to you so that I feel that you're getting well enough understanding of the situation. Can I say situation? a well enough understanding of the situation. Somebody might say, yo, what in the world is the situation? And I'm going to say, think about it, bro. Just think about it. That's all I'm going to say. All right. So, yeah, that can, this is much better to explain to you guys real quick. So looking at the option chain mechanics and the settlement, the pressure that the options will have on Tesla is a very key edge that you will want to have in your trading, right? So as you can see, all the levels are marked off. This is the chart for Tesla, right? If you look at the bottom, you'll see dates and times and stuff like that. So Friday, the 12th at 12 p.m. noon, the stock price was at 386.70. Now, if you would have been smart and said, you know what, I'm gonna buy right here 1,000 shares because that I know that not only option chain is going to have an effect on Tesla moving to the north side, because we discussed with Coach TB last week that max pain was around 412.50, so it's going to serve as a magnet pulling the stock that way. I know that, and it's 386. Not only will that have an effect, what about the SpaceX having an effect on Tesla's price going to the north side as well, right? Just pulling the whole market up. So you took 1,000 shares here at 12 o'clock on Friday. Well, today it would be at 412 near the what? That was that max pain number, 412.50. So it would be there. So what are we talking here? Just using round numbers to say that's 387, right? So that's $25. That's an automatically $25 to 387 to 412. Come on now. Come on now. It's not rocket science. That's $25. And if you would have had 1,000 shares, you would have had, what you would have had. And that would have been over the weekend. But something you gotta learn. Something you gotta learn, something you gotta pick up. People don't look at this as a trade, but it is. It's just like picking up any other trade, electrician, carpentry, being a heart surgeon. Yeah, this looks like an EKG. You gotta be able to read that EKG to know if the stock is healthy or not healthy. How about that? I'm just I'm just telling you the truth, cuz I'm telling you the truth. Can I put the S on it? Can I put the S on it? The truths. But no, this is a chart, and I know you probably saying, "Well, Coach, I can't see that. I can't see it. It's small." Don't worry about it. I just want you to just see the line. Just look at it as a line. Like you see how the line is going. It's like a heartbeat. Boom, 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 and then it go boom, 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 and the heart beating up like that. Yeah, that's what's happening. So I want you to be able to see that at one point it was here, 378, and that was on June the 10th, Wednesday. It was at 378 on Wednesday. And now on Monday is at 412. Hello? Hello? Are you there? Huh? 34? It's a lot. Bottom line is, man, if you're able to learn how to follow this price action, you're able to make money in between the price action. While the stock is moving up or down, you can make money in between these ranges. I can teach you how to do that. Or you could teach yourself by buying the book, reading it, and going from there. As we were discussing, the last closing price was at 406.43. It's up 1.82, right? I don't know why it's not showing me that though. It usually shows that over here. What the heck happened? I don't know. Oh, there we go. See, there it is. 406.43. It showed me. It's up $5 today. If I had to take a guess on Tesla today in particular, I would say that Tesla's going to go to 420 today. It might even go past 420, but I know it's going to hit 4. I mean, I feel like it's going to hit 420. Um, you know what I mean? Let's put a yellow one. Can we make it yellow or red or something? I just want a color so I know that's where I marked it out at or whatever. Right here. Yeah, 420. Yeah, it could even get up to 425. I'm like rounding this already with this green bars. This thing could get up here. And I'm just going to do it like this so it'll be a reminder that I think it could get up as close as here. I think it can get up here. I'm not even thinking about the downside because if it comes down, right? Let's just say it comes down and it goes and fills this gap because there's a gap right here. See this gap? This gap needs to be filled, right? That gap needs to be filled. This gap needs to be filled. But it doesn't have to be filled right now. It could be filled at any time. It could be filled tomorrow, day after, but it needs to be filled. But it could be filled right now. So let's just say it comes and it fills this gap. All right, it fills the gap. Wow. Then it comes back up and it plays seesaw games like this. Bottom line that I believe today, sometime today, she will get to that 325 already. Hey, listen. Hey. That's just me. It's my opinion. You don't have to. This is not financial advice. This is just, I think that something is going to happen. That's it. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I think something is going to happen. What regards to Tesla going up? I don't know, man. I could get 10 or 12 cents out of this here. Let me see if I can get. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm looking at a trade real quick here on TSLA because I just feel like that she could get to the. Yeah, I feel like she can get there. Let me 905. All right, let's do it like this. Limit price of. All right, if it comes back down to. Oh shit. All right, I'll buy here. I'll buy right there. All right. So I bought a little bit of um, TSLL. Uh, Bought a little bit of TSLL. Uh, at the at the raw 1394. 1394. 1394. Oh, they ain't picked my order up yet. Why they ain't picked my order up yet, bro? Man, see, that's all right. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. And look, here's the situation. I put on here trading hours. No, I put on here what you call. I put on the order. It's okay. I'm gonna cancel them. extended hours, and somehow it's got trading hours. What does that mean? That means that my order won't go in until trading hours. But I'm gonna cancel it and put it in the right way because that's wrong. It's supposed to be it's supposed to be doing extended hours because we're in the extended hour period right now. Being is that we are in the extended hour period right now, it has to be marked as such. Let me look at something real quick. Hold on, guys. Just bear with me. Trying to put a trade in, and I need to make sure this is right. All right. So here's the bottom line. I'm gonna change that information real quick before it gets away from me. You know how things like to get away from you, right? I got put extended hours, and then I can even put. No, I ain't gonna do that. But anyway, I'm putting this order in real quick. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see this order. Let's see. What? Man, chill out and put the damn order in. What's wrong with you? In that short period of time, it stopped me from wanting to get. It tried to stop me from getting it. All right. But I'm like this. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. Yeah, if I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. Right? Yeah, of course. I should be getting it now. It just got it. Now I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on in a second. Just hold tight. It's early. I don't usually trade like this, but this is a whole nother different account, so I ain't tripping off of it. It's just like a long term count type situation. And what I know is oh, this to stop. But what I know about the situation is that I think, well, I don't think, I kind of know that we're gonna go up to like 1422. Yeah, I'm thinking it could get up there. Yeah, for real. Okay, man. This is now this when I want to act stupid. Yeah, let's do it like that. All right. No stop. No stop. Let's leave it off for a minute. Now that means I gotta watch the order. Uh, bear with me 1 second. You guys are looking at the chart. I will switch that over for you in 1 second. This is 14. Yeah, 14, right? Yeah, 1422. Anyway. Oh, I got 92 in there, right? I ain't gonna let it come. Yeah, it's going up now. So Yep, it's going up now. That's so stupid. Oh, I see what's going on. They using yesterday's close, so that's all right. I'll make it like this because they using yesterday's close as what's happening, and I should be able to confirm that. So I just put in an order for I got in at 13.92 on TSLL and take profit at 14.24. But right now, I'm just telling you what's popping on the market is CUPR. 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 Let's take a quick look at that. CUPR. Okay, let's see. Let's see. CUPR. And let's see. Okay, so CUPR is jumping, right? Can you guys let me make sure you can see this? I just want you to see this because this will be somewhat of a good lesson for you. Bop, bop, bop. Okay, so you see this? I'm going to just show you the things that happen. So this popped up on the scanner, right? The stock was here at $3.79. It shot all the way up to $9, which took it up 137% over here. So those that bought in here at $4, they didn't double their money already. So they must have gotten some kind of news catalyst and it's causing the stock to go up. It's up 140 something percent. So what I do is I don't chase these things. We don't chase this stuff. We just watch it. And we watch it for the price action. So we'll note down that we need to pay attention to this one later on in the day to see what the price action looks like. So it's 962 right now. We'll take a look at it later on. But I hope I finished explaining to you that trade that I got in on TSLL and get at 1392, and I'm going to get out at what price, guys? What price am I getting out at? Talk to me now. I said 1424, right? Yeah, 1424, 1422, one of the two. We're gonna make it happen. But if it comes back down to my 1392 area, I'm gonna add a little bit more on the uptick, on the upside. Let's add here, guys. Or can I just change this one? Yeah, let me just create it all. I like that. I like to just modify the order real quick. Hold on, fellas. There we go. Modify that up to 100 more, and then take that to 94. And maybe I can get it at 92. I don't know. I'm going to leave it. Including extended hours. Yeah. All right. This looks good to me. Let's go. Make it happen. All right. So we on that. Oh, you seen it. So you see the order right there. Then. There you go. Whoop de doo. You can see the flu. Booty boo. Boo 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 boo. You can see it. You can see the order, right? That's all that matters. So we still looking at this CUPR, right? We still looking at the CUPR, right? And it's going up, up, up and away. In a case like this, we want to know. I don't know why old boy ain't. He must have mentioned that I didn't hear him. Like, what's the What's the reason the stock is going up? Because that's important. That is important. The reason why the stock is going up. We need to know that. We need to know why it's going up, cuz somebody need to tell me why is this stock going up? The microcap biomedical stock Caprina Holding CUPR, the one we're looking at now, is experiencing extreme volatility, as we can see that with our own eyes. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. We can see that with our own eyes. It's got some explosive price action going on here this morning, heavily tracking retail momentum, so it's following along. NASDAQ listing compliance restored. Oh, okay. Compliance restorement. On June 12, 2026, Caprina officially announced that it had regained compliance with the NASDAQ Capital Market medium bid price required as of June 11th. I don't care about that. The backstory: the company was facing an immediate delisting threat from NASDAQ after falling to maintain only, it was lower than $1 bid. Remedy this is the execution of 1-to-8 reversal split last month. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. The company is struggling and they got relisted, so people popping it up. What does that tell me? That tells me that this thing is a dud. I'm gonna wait till the market open. I could take a trade right now, but I'm gonna wait till the market open, guys. Hey guys, we only got 10 more minutes. Let me refresh my coffee and I'll be right back. Just listening to get into the groove, man. Get into the groove. I'll be right back. Yep. We're back. We're just watching right now, folks. We're going to keep an eye on the CURP. That's one that's popping. The high is 1186. Let's see if it can break that high. The market is up today. Yep, the market is up today. So that's what we're going with, the market being up. And of course, we like to watch our favorite Tesla. Let's go to Tesla. This is Tesla, folks. Tesla is on its way to 425, folks. That's for sure. Which is going to cause the ETF to go up. See? Oh, we have to look at that the ETF for SpaceX. The ETF for SpaceX. It's LOFF. Okay. Let's not forget that one. LOFF. It's the ETF for SpaceX. All right. All right. That's what we doing, folks. We looking at the market as it moves. Y'all know I have an order. I'm opening up the MACD so you guys can see that. Um, if you taking notes, right? Just just Google MACD and it'll tell you what it's all about. So this MACD is look like it's on its way. It want to go down here again and then come back up. So we'll see. Um, I have an order in from here, from about right here to right here, right there. So from here to here is my order, right? We'll see if it happens. We'll see if it happens, okay? Look, it dropped down. You see that? It dropped all the way down. We'll see. We'll see. This is what we're looking at, folks. Let's make sure I'm not about. Yo, what up? I'm telling you, I'm about to cut TikTok off. If I don't get no hearts, if I don't get no hearts right now, in the next couple minutes here, I'm going to shut it off. TikTok will not get any more information from us. If you guys don't put up some hearts immediately, I will be ghost face killer. Now it's dropping down. Okay, all right, yo, it's at 390. Whatever. You see it, right? You guys see it. You see it. This is where it's at. And this is where we want it to go up here. So we'll see. We'll see what happened, man. We'll see what happened. Bottom line is the snake needs to reach to this right here. Reach there. Hopefully it will. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We don't know. We'll see though. That's the bottom line. We will see. We will see, guys. We just waiting, man. We got about 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes until the market opens. Miss, yep. We got a few more minutes to the open, guys. Few more minutes. 3 more minutes until the bell. This is what we're looking at, folks. As you can see, it looks like it want to go down, but then it looks like it want to go up. So the MACD is leveling off here, but it should take a ride up. Hopefully, it takes a ride up. We're looking for it to go up to somewhere in this area here. Yep. So bottom line is at least going to get up to. It's at least going to get up to the 412, 413 area. Yep. 412, 413 area. That's what it's going to get to. 412, 413. Now, I can take that profit if I bring this down to, yeah, I can take that profit. Yep, I could take that profit. So CUPR is jumping again, guys. CUPR. CUPR is jumping. Market is open. Guys. Market is open, folks. It's open. It's open. It's open. Let's go. Market is open, guys. We're watching the tape. We're watching the tape. We're watching the tape to which way the market wants to go. Um, yeah, we're just going we're just gonna wait and see. Oh, I could have took that. I got you. The 412 right here. Yeah, I could have took that. Um, so it already then went up to the area that I said it was gonna go to, which was 412. Yeah, it should have just got out there. But I think it's gonna go higher today. This is TSLL, the ETF for Tesla. And we're looking at the 3 minute chart. So each candle represents 3 minutes. And we're going to watch this go from 13.95 up to 13.20, which is like a 25-cent gain. So we can use that. We can use that type of bread. Oh no, we can use that type of bread for sure. The CUPR is halted. Yeah, 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 yeah. CUPR. Oh, CUPR. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's halted at 1263, guys. Now, between you and I, don't tell nobody I told you this, right? But on that CUPR, we probably could fade that back down this morning. A little later on this morning, we'll watch it and then faded back down. But meanwhile, we're just paying attention to what we like, right? Let's talk about what we like. We like to see this what you come. Yeah, we like to see this go to 1422, 1490. I got mine at 1419. Right now, Tesla is just, I mean, the ETF for Tesla, TSLA, is at 1410. So if it goes up another 9 cents, your boy gonna be in the profit zone and make his bread. You heard me? Yes, indeedy, sweetie. Hey, welcome. Anybody that's in the chat, put your location. Where you watching from? Or if you got any questions about any stock tickers or any questions at all, put it in the chat, and I'll be certain to try to answer them best of my ability. I see we got some folks over there on Twitch. Yo, y'all got any questions? Post it. Yeah, man. We just watching, man. Look, if this gets up to 1419, your boy is gonna make some bread. Now it's at 1415. It's at 1415. Come on. 1417. We need 2 more points. It's at 1417. Come on, give your boy 2 more points and stop acting like that. Stop. Come on, y'all gonna watch it. Watch it. 1416. Come on, guys. Push for it. Once we hit that, then I'll be able to get me a cup of coffee from Starbucks. You heard me? Oh, it's pulling back, y'all. It doesn't want to give it to me. It's all good. It's all good. Because I know how to be patient. Come on, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Come on, we need this to get up to 1419 so we can make our bread. So when it's high as 1417. I'm gonna be patient. Because as far as I'm concerned, I could see this stock going all the way to I could see it going all the way up to 1430 for real. Like up here. I can see it going there. That's just my opinion. But I got my take profit at 1419. It went all the way up to 1417. Turned around and came back. But if it goes to 1419, I gotta stop him. If it goes to 1419, then we in. About being patient, y'all. About being patient. That CUPR is up 255% already. That's something that we'll pay close attention to a little later in the day, like I said. You know why? Because the 4-hour is green. That's why I said we're going to wait till later in the day, right? Yeah, of course. Right now, it's pulling back on us. So on a pullback like this, I consider buying a dip. I consider buying a dip on a pullback like that. So right now, we're going to be buying. We're going to be buying right now. We're going to be buying right now, guys. TSLL. I am. At this point, I will be buying. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we buying right now. We buying for the pushback up because the market is up. You know, this probably could go to like 430 for real. So we're gonna put an order in here, and we're gonna take out at 1430. So in a case like this, when I'm buying the dip here at this particular point on the chart, I wouldn't try to be greedy or nothing like that. You want to take like 50 cent or something. So for example, is that 1379, 1380? Call it. And then if you say, all right, I want to go to 1420, you talking, 40 cent on whatever shares you may have. Come on now, stop playing with me. That's not rocket science, is it? No, 1422. All right, boom. Not rocket science. It's not. People be acting like it's rocket science. It's not rocket science, bro. So we got our take profit at where? But we got it at 1422. Okay. So we talking a 40 cent move. All right, I got you. I'm with that. I'm with that. But I want you to watch the move because if everything works out the way I want it to work out, right? I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you a move real quick, right? Pay attention. All right, so listen to me now. This right here, up here, is MACD. I don't know why this chart look like this. Why does the chart look like that? Wait, I gotta pull this down. So there we go. All right there. Oh wait, I don't need two MACDs on here. One of these gotta go. This one go. Hold on. All right, so here we go. All right, boom. So I'm in already. I told y'all this was a buying point. I told y'all that. I didn't say you had to. I just said I was buying. I was buying here, right? At 1370, 1380. I'm buying. Now, if I get out here, when it goes up here, if I get out here, that's a 40 cent profit. But what I'm gonna do when it comes up here, just so you know, I'm going to sell for the pullback down back down to this level, which is 14 even. So you make 40 cent going up, 20 cent coming back down, and then a possible 20 cent or so going back up. You just got to be able to move like that in this market. And I can show you and teach you how to do that. And you have to take the one-on-one course, or you can read my book and learn on your own without my help. Either way, I just hope you get the information. So I'll take profit is here. As you can see, As you can see, you see the order right here? This order right here, this is a take profit order right there. So this take prop, that TP stands for take profit. So like I said, if the snake comes up and go into my trap here, then I think we're good. Let's see if the snake is going to do that. It's going to come back up and hit my trap. We'll see. If it comes up and hit my trap, then we in. We'll be in the Mazani. We'll be in the Mazani, cuz. We'll be in the Mazani. We'll be in the Mazani, cuz. We just watching. Right now, y'all already see I'm up $110 already. And that's just messing around. I ain't even really get started trading yet. So what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna show you a move right here. 610. See how it backed off of me? You see how it went up and backed off? But I got a fucking trick for that. I got a trick for that. Watch this trick I do. Watch this. All right, so that was done. Y'all saw we made that money. We made that money. So now we want to come back in around this area. If we can. If we can get back in around the around the 14. If we can get back in around the 14, we would take a chance on that 14. If we can get back in around that area, if they let us back in around that area, we good. But if not, I'm just gonna call it and be like, all right, whatever, we missed it. It's okay. Let's see if they let us back in. 1402 to 1422. So you talking 10 cents. But 10 cents is 10 cents, right? $40 is $40. I do think it's gonna get up close to like 1430 though. If it get me back in, I'm good. If not, I don't care. I still have that 60 shares left. Doesn't want to let me back in, guys. It's okay though. It's all right. I am gonna cancel these orders. I still got 60 shares left. that I'm about to take out right now because it's playing games with me. So I don't like to play games. Oh, no. I didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean to do that. I do it like this then. Let's just go 14-12. See if that works for us. You see how it's treating us? It's treating us like a stepchild. So we got that last little 60 shares to get out at 14-12. And I'm just teaching you, showing you how to trade in the market. We're using small shares because ETFs X will market question. Hey man, don't worry. If you got any questions, just put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. I'll be certain to take a look. Right now we're trying to get out our last little whatever shares out of here. We're gonna get them out at 14-12, I'm sure. Y'all can see it on the tape. It's trying to come out at 14-12. I'm about to take it down to 14-10 now because it's playing with me and I don't like it. I don't like to play. I like to get out, man. When it's time to get out, I like to get out. I like to just get out, man. Come on. Come on, get your boy out of here. We don't want to play with y'all no more. All the games over with. All the games over with, my friend. I think it may go to 15. I'm not sure. But I know one thing. Is need to stop playing with me because I don't like to play, my friend. I don't like to play, my friend. So this is coming up on around the time. Let me see. CUPR. Let's see what that's doing. Remember, we said we were going to keep an eye on CUPR. Remember that, right? All right. It looked like it's halted. Is it halted again? Yeah, it's halted again. Okay, that's fine. Let it be halted. JRSY. JRSY. JRSH. Sorry, JRSH then. See what that's looking like. 495. No, we missed that. See this big drop right here? That means we missed it. It should be getting ready to go back up though. Maybe it will. But I don't have time. SDOT. Let's look at SDOT real quick. SDOT. Come on, let's see if we can get something with SDOT. 2213. Maybe. See what the volume is. Oh, the volume is good. It's up 36%. Oh no, the volume is not good. I thought that was no, that's not. Volume is no good for me on that. Sorry. Let me get back to the house. TSLA. Let's see what that's doing. It ain't gave us that 412 yet, guys. What's wrong with these people, man? It doesn't want to give us the full 12. Wow, what did we do wrong? What did we do to you that you don't want to give me the 412, bro? Seriously, I want to know that question, the answer to that question. What did we do to you to make you say, oh, we not giving that to him? I mean, what did I do? Did I do something wrong? I'm trying to get the snake to go ahead and do what it's supposed to do, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Get me out of there. Get me out of there. As you can see, I'm just trying to get out right now. I got out. So we got that. We up to $481. Just messing around. Just messing around, that's all. Just messing around, folks. Now I need to see this go to 419 for the long term. Count. If it goes to 419, then you know we in what you call in like Flynn. You're just watch along. This is just watch along, man. Pay attention. You can see what's going on. We trading in the stock market. That's what's going on. We trading Tesla, man. Stop playing with me. Now here's the thing. Here's the thing. Be careful now. Because I'm gonna tell you straight up. I think that Tesla is gonna be somewhere around 14.25. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a cold-blooded order in at 14.25 and see if I can get it on the short side. That's an order, 14.25. Let's see if Tesla makes it up there. Let's see if she makes it up there. Let's see. Doesn't look good from here. That doesn't look good. That move did not look good, bro. Can you at least get back up to the 14.17 then? 14.17? Can you get back up to the 14.17? Oh man, this doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't. Nah, it doesn't. Doesn't look good, man. It doesn't. Look at that. Look at that. Look like it. Look like it's just want to pull back. Look like it want to pull back. 14.25. 14.25 on the ETF. Come on. 14.25, guys. Let's go. Let's go. We need you to get up here to the 14.25 area, man. Yeah, we need you to get up there to that 14.25 area. Come on. Let's go. Y'all can see it. Y'all can see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on. I got a short on a TSLA 14.25. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all see the order right there. Y'all see my order. If I reach up that high, if I get up there to 14.20 area, I'm going to add more shares as well. I just want to put that marker up there. But she's hovering around. Man, it doesn't look like she's going to get up there, guys. She might get the one. Let me put 1,000 shares in that 14.10 because it doesn't look like she's going to get there. I mean, yeah. She don't look like she gonna get there, bro. She don't look like she gonna get there, bro. She doesn't. But you have to have like patience, man. You know what I'm saying? No chasing, no chasing. If you find yourself chasing, just stop. Just be like, oh nope, I ain't chasing. If it gets up there to my target area, then we got to trade. If it doesn't get up to my target area, then we might not have a trade today. Simple and plain. My target is up here. If the stock doesn't get up there, then maybe we not it's not our day. It's not our day today. And I don't think it's gonna get up there. So that's so sad, isn't it? Maybe it wants to pull back. I don't like the looks of that. No, I don't. I don't like the looks of it, bro. Let me see. Yeah, I don't like the looks of that. Let's see what Tesla look like. Come on, Tesla. Come on, reload. Come on, man, stop it. Why is it doing all this goofy stuff here? Come on, man. All right, let's go ahead. Why they doing all that goofy stuff? Okay, this TSLA you looking at right now. It's the ETF for Tesla. and it's showing a pullback. So I'm gonna get involved with that pullback if I can. If it'll allow me to get in, I'm gonna get in. It's not allowing me. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I'm in at 1394. I wanted to be in a lot higher than that, though. I wanted to be in a lot higher than that. I'll be honest with you. Yeah, of course. Of course, I wanted to be in a lot higher than that, man. I did. I wanted to be in a lot higher. But I'm in where I'm at. And so I'm just going to take it down like, oh, man, I don't know. What, 84? 79? All right, 79. Yeah, okay. Oh, no. I got to cut him up quickly. He's a nerve. Yeah. All right. You won't let me in no more, fellas. Say it won't let me in. Treating me. It's treating me like stepchild. Yeah, we knew that was gonna happen, didn't we? That's why we had those orders sitting up there. Yep. We had those orders sitting up there, so when it popped back up, we would be ready for it. And it did pop back up on us. It did pop back up on us. It certainly did pop back up on us, guys. Pop back up on us. Pop back up on us. It popped back up on us, folks. All right, check this out here. See what the MACD doing. MACD. Okay, MACD want to go down. Okay, we with you. We with you, MACD. We want to go down too, bro. We want to go down too. We want to go down too, okay? So we with you. We with you. We with you, man. We with you. The question is, how far down do we think it's going to go? That is the ultimate question. That's the ultimate question. So, um, I would like to say, yeah. Mm. All right, let me keep an eye on my boys over here. Keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on my boys. Oh, did everything happen like I said? It was gonna go up, and then I was gonna ride it back down, that back down to here, and then now it's gonna go down again, and then come back up. Oh, it did happen that way. Oh, okay. All right. I wish you could find somebody that can talk to you about what's going to happen in the market, so you can make some money. That's how it works. If you know what's going on in the market, you make bread. If you don't, you don't make bread. It's that simple. It's not really a whole lot to it, you know. All right, listen to some people out here to see what they talking about. Um, uh, Let me listen to some guys and see if they know what they talking about over there. YouTube. Oh, come on. All right, let's see. Come on down. I got it out at 79, like right on this green line. So if we can get down there, I feel good. What's the day? Monday. Monday morning. What are they talking about? I said that we were going to look at LOFF, which is Tesla's main SpaceX ETF. Uh, oh, it's trading. Okay, cool. It's trading, guys. It's trading. But I'm not gonna mess with it because that's not what I'm trading. I'm trading this. I'm trading TSLL, as you can see. And I needed to get down to 1379, and then you and I you and I TY is gonna celebrate. And we're gonna say, yo, we could go get us some Starbucks coffee today, bro. Hell yeah. We're getting close. You see right here? This is our number. 1379 is our number. We're trying to get down to 1379. That's our number. That's our number, guys. It's our number. Watch this. Sometimes you gotta do this because of the algorithms, right? I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna take this down to 77. Modify that and take 2000 out. Take 2000 out there. Sorry about that. I was talking and y'all probably was like, "Man, I can't hear you." But here it is. Mike, what you did. My outs are at 1380, 1377. And we're just gonna be patient and watch the candles come down and do what it's supposed to do. So basically, if the snake right here, if this snake comes down and hit my mouse trap, we good to go. We make money. So we just gonna see if the snake come down and hit the trap. Come down and hit the trap. That's what we want to see. Come down and hit the trap. When you see the MACD look like this right here, that's manipulation from the market makers. It is. Look, they taking it back up because they know people are short there right now. But it's a lot of buying power in there and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna just leave it the way it is. It didn't take me out here for whatever reason. It went right back up. We should have took that profit. We should have took it. But I'm teaching, so I'm showing y'all what patience is. If you got a mark and you have your patience. You have your patience if you got a mark that you want to hit. But when it came down to 400 like that and was at 400 in a profit, I would have punched out real fast and just took that profit. Then I probably had to jump back in and all that. And so I'm not teaching that right at this particular time. So I didn't want to do that because then you'll be like, oh, I don't understand. What did you do? So I just want to show you that if you set your mark or you set your take profit, sometimes it's just good to be patient, right? And you might say, well, where's your stop loss at? Oh, my stop loss is somewhere around 1420. It's a mental stop loss. If it get up there, then I know it's gonna push through to the 1430 area, which it might still do that, but I want it to pull back first before it go back up. And on that pullback, I want to make my profit, and then I can decide whether I want to continue to trade for the day or stop trading. Nevertheless, we are we are waiting for our profit to come through. And it looked like it's getting ready to hit if you watching it, right? You see my out there at 1380, right? I got an out at 1380, and then I got another out at 1377. And that's just what it is. Average is 96, so I guess 85 would be, I don't know, 11 points. 11 points at 85. Yo, they buying the dip real hard, bro. They buying the dip real hard, cuz. Yeah, they buying the dip real hard. They buying the dip so hard, man. I mean, they literally buying the dip too hard right now. Look at that. That's crazy. It's crazy. Look at that. It's insane. It's insane. It's just insane. But it's all about being patient, so we're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient, folks. Just be a little bit patient. The Bulls and the Bears are battling, folks. They battling right now. They battling between 90 and 95, 90 and 95, 90 and 95. That's it. They only going between 4 or 5 points, which is ridiculous. But we're going to continue to watch, and we're going to know. We know from look from this chart here. We know right now that, let me see, it came down as low as 82. I don't recall that. I don't recall it coming down as low as 82. But it's going to get down to the 1375 area. It's going to get down to the 1375. We just got to be patient. That's all. Just be patient. That's it. 1375. No, that's 1025. 1020. 10. Yeah, it's 1025. Oh, 1025. And then we go with the 1030. And we'll see. Maybe it'll get down there by now. We don't know. We'll see. 1384 will be the first out. Then we should jump back in. 1395 maybe. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. We got our first out at 1384. If we can get the snake to hit the trap over here, the snake is trying to hit the trap. Snake is going after that mouse, and once it goes after that mouse, I think we'll be good to go. Doesn't want to give it to us, guys. But we're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. It's just like it sees right where you are and it doesn't want to give it to you. But, hey, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Do not have no fear because you got those tears in your eyes and your ears and you're listening to Coach TB trade stocks from behind the eight ball live on YouTube at Coach TB 43. Get with me. We'll show you how we make the money. As you can see, we got some bread coming out now. If it comes out, if it hits, it hits. The snake come down and then it goes back up. Same time I'm watching SPCX, SpaceX. It's fluctuating between 175 and 170, up and down between that range. It's between that range, guys. I don't know why the snake don't want to come down and be my friend. I'm only gonna put you in the trap for a little while. Then I'm gonna let you go. Come on down. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Tell the snake to come down. Tell the snake to come on down. Don't be afraid. You guys said I'm gonna have to put some of my magic on it because it's taking too long. I had to put my magic on it because it's taking entirely too long for me. It's just taking too long. That's it. It's just taking too long. Pray. It's taking too long, guys. Look at that. It does not want to give me my out. It does not want to give me my out, guys. But, you know, it is what it is. Doesn't want to give me my out. It's sitting right there and it won't take it. How about that? Oh, I ain't got no heart yet from TikTok? Okay. Y'all ain't sending no hearts? Okay. Alright. Well, as the captain used to say, bye bye black bluebird. Why you ain't sending no hearts? I'm getting ready to get off of here if y'all don't put up no hearts. You gotta put up some hearts. Oh, I gotta get on the how to put up no hearts, man. Yeah, I'm about to close you out. Okay. I see what's up. I see what's up. Yeah, I'm about to close out if y'all don't put up no hearts. It's over with. That's how I do it. If you don't put up no hearts.
Why does Spike Lee
If you
always
don't
wear
put up no hearts, then there's no need for me to be involved. Okay, this is taking a little longer than I wanted it to. So, Jamie, Christmas, guys, come on, be for real. Be for real, guys. Be for real. We ever be for real? Be for real, man. Just be for real. That's all. It came down to 1370 was the low on it. We're looking at this next 15-minute candle, what it's going to do, what it's going to be. We can even go to the next 3 minute. Let's see what the 3 minute look like. Oh, 3 minute is there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on this 3 minute candle. That's the 1 minute right there. Let's see what happens on the 1 minute candle. The 1 minute candle. 1 minute candle is so far away. Got it. Look how far away it is, man. Just a 30 minute candle. 30 minute should be turning red, hopefully. Let's check it. Let's check and see what the 30 minute candle is doing. At the same time, I'm watching that 1384 level. Saying, hey man, 1384, what are you doing? This is the 15 minute candle, right? All right, the 5 minute candle. Look at that, playing games. 5 minute candle playing games. 3 minute candles probably doing the same. Yep. It's all good. And then what else? 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, this phony mess. It's phony mess, guys. It's phony mess. Phony mess. It doesn't want to give me my profit today. Yep, it doesn't want to give me my profit today, folks. Doesn't want to give me my profit. Should I give it some more magic? Okay. That's my magic sauce right there. My magic sauce. S&P is up 110 points. You want to pull back a little bit? Yeah, it's up. It's up. It's up a great deal. It's up a great deal. It can pull back some. It could pull back some. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to cancel these orders real quick. I canceled those orders. It's trying to give us our profit, guys. We're going to wait for it. See if it gives it to us. See if it gives us our profit. So it gave us our profit. Okay, so as you can see, we made $1,000 today. $1,011.99. That was our profit. We trapped the snake over here. As you can see, we trapped him. We put in some orders. We put in some orders here. Let's go to our orders. We put in some shorts up here. No, we bought here first. We bought here and we rolled it up. Then we shorted here and rolled it all the way back down. It took this long to get it, but we got it. So we're done for the day. $1,011.99 profit for the day. And we're gonna roll with that. And then we'll come back in the morning and do it all over again. You understand what I'm saying when I say what I try to say when I said what I said? I mean, do you understand that? It's all I'm asking. You understand me? Let me see. Somebody's leaving a comment. If you're a stream, blah, blah, blah. Nah, that's okay, bro. Hey, man. All I want to tell you, man, is thank you for being here. I want to thank you guys for being here. I want to thank you guys for being here, watching Coach TB trade live in effect, right? Watching them trade live in effect. Yeah, and so you saw we came, we saw, and we conquered, right? This is what we're gonna do every day. I want you to understand that, okay? I need you to understand. All right, family? That is going to wrap it up for the morning session here at Trading from Behind the Eight Ball with Coach TB live on YouTube. We had some massive macro shifts hitting the tape today with the U.S.-Iran preliminary framework dropping crude oil prices. And the tech sector is absolutely feeding off this risk on momentum. We saw Tesla holding strong above the 400 psychological level. Well, we just put ourselves in position in the positive gamma territory, and we analyze exactly how market makers are adjusting their hedges against the lower max pain level. And for the scalpers on deck, let me just say CUPR was a nice one. It halted too many times for me, but hey, I may look at it later on. It gave us a pure volatility and gymnastic post-split. You understand it was crazy the way it did it. 8-to-1 split. Just remember the risk profile we broke down on the balance sheet and keep your risk managed tight. You hear me? Tight. We might look at that CUPR around the 12 o'clock area. But before we log off, remember the goal isn't just making quick bags today. It's about taking this knowledge, applying wisdom, and executing a strategy to build true generational wealth. If you haven't grabbed your copy yet, make sure you pick up Trading Stocks from Behind the Eight Ball. Where is it? Let me grab it for you real quick. Here we go, guys. Make sure, if you haven't grabbed a copy yet, make sure you get a copy. Oh, you see it. It's right there on the screen. Make sure you get a copy, right? Make sure you grab that copy to keep your playbook sharp. Yo, make sure you hit the subscribe button on YouTube. We got to grow the community. Turn on your notifications and follow the handles on Instagram and Facebook so you never miss the daily play-by-play. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, man. Manage your risk. Stay disciplined. Protect your capital. And I will see you right back here on the stream tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. sharp. As always, peace and blessings, family. We're out.